Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Wednesday, October 3rd, 2018. On the 3rd, the alert level has been raised to 3 and the aviation color code to red for the Soputan stratovolcano near Sulawesi, Indonesia, after a large eruption, ejecting a column of ash 4 kilometers above the crater. Residents are being told to prepare masks in case of ashfall and keep a distance of 4 kilometers from the crater. Satellite images have picked up a possible eruption at the remote barren island in the Indian Ocean that may have started on the 25th of September. A strong thermal signal has been visible on satellite data and suggests lava flows on the north flank of the active cone. The eruption of the Krakatau volcano in Indonesia continues, with no signs of weakening. The volcano is experiencing multiple powerful explosions a day, along with increasing seismic activity. The death toll in Indonesia has now reached a magnitude 6.1 and 6.0, both at a depth of 10 kilometers. On the 1st, a powerful storm left massive hail accumulations blanketing the ground like snow in Lazio, Italy. Massive cracks and sinkholes continue to grow at the GAA football club in County Monaghan, Ireland, causing extensive damage to the field, clubhouse, and surrounding buildings. The cracks are continuing to grow, forcing the club to stay closed indefinitely. On the 30th, a dangerous landslide has damaged the only road in or out of a small community in St. John, British Columbia, Canada. The community is now completely cut off, and the landslide is still slowly moving. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.